Minerals. We're a new IPO on the ASX in November. We should be listing. We're focused on that critical minerals thematic, battery minerals, lithium, I guess, specifically. We've got some really good projects down the Dundas region of Western Australia, which we've acquired from FMG. Now that region, Dundas, south of Kalgoorlie, if you know it, it's really active at the moment. We've got Liontown Resources there. Bald Hill Lithium Tantalum project, you've got Galileo, Lovato, Dundas, Minerals. There's a lot of activity. So, certainly to be in that space, in that region is excellent for us. So we're going to be raising $7 million in this IPO. I mean, that's a really good sum of money for us to get started. We've got an aggressive exploration plan and strategy, some good targets. We see some good geology, continuing lithologies, particularly from Liontown's Baldania project into our leases. So, that's a really good opportunity for us, I guess, as a low EV company, $2.6 million plus 7 in the bank. Fantastic start. So our core projects are the Dundas projects, just near Norseman there in Western Australia. We acquired those assets from FMG. Now FMG vended those assets to us, and they will be a shareholder in the business moving forward. They'll be one of our top shareholders. That's an interesting proposition in itself. So as I say, there's not been too much exploration done on the projects themselves. Historically the area was sort of more, I guess, aimed at nickel and gold exploration, but we do see it emerging in the lithium space. As I said, so there's lots of exploration potential there and opportunities. Our Dundas South projects actually surround the Liontown's Baldania project, and our Dundas North projects are located close to the Bald Hill lithium mine. So, proximity good, geology good, strong lithologies and strong exploration targets for us. I think it's not enough just to say you're exposed to a thematic and you're chasing lithium or you're chasing this or that. I think you need the projects as a fundamental cornerstone. So we've got that, we see that with our Dundas assets, the proximity to proven resources, lithium resources in that region. But as a new company, it's always good to start a new company. I mean, if you look at us as an investment opportunity, from a enterprise value perspective, $2.6 million. So, approximately 10 mil market cap as a starting point. I think that that's an excellent investment proposition. Sure. So my background, I'm a mining engineer. I used to be a mechanical engineer. I was educated at the Western Australian School of Mines. I'm also a non-exec director of Minerals Ltd MLS. I'm strongly involved in the School of Mines alumni. The rest of the board also, a lot of technical experience, both geology, mining, corporate finance. Myself, I used to work in the private equity space too. So I think, starting a new business, it's always good to be able to build your team. And, we've got a lot of really experienced people on the board and, good core focus of technical expertise too. So we're raising $7 million. Yes, the focus of our expenditure will be Dundas. We do have 3 other projects within the company, Mount Bartle, Mount Jewel and Malman Hill. They are all in Western Australia, also to the north of Kalgoorlie. They will be secondary for us. The focus is Dundas. As I say, we're looking at that lithium potential there. So, the majority of our money will be spent in that region. Great to be exposed to this thematic. As I've said, I think having strong projects and that exploration potential, low EV, there's a lot of things that are falling in our favour right now. So if any of you guys know me from before, from Critical, you would see how aggressive I am in the way that we explore our projects and build our business. So having the targets and having the work programs and the ideas that we have, we'll hit the ground pretty hard, and I think we're going to get some good results.